Set and test the default speakers in Windows 10. Select Start, enter Change System Sounds, and then select it from the results. Select the Playback tab, select a device, and then select Set Default. Select Configure, and then select the speaker configuration that is most like your speaker setup. Select an individual speaker to send sound to it, or select Test to send sound to all speakers. If sound is missing from all or one of the speakers, or if the configuration type was changed, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the speaker setup.